Okay, now you can start. Okay, read.
Harry likes to walk. Harry likes to walk his dog.
Yes, good. Harry likes to walk his dog. Okay, good. Okay, I move 2 box. Okay, next.
Sometimes they take a short walk to the mall.
Good. Sometimes they take a short walk to the mall. Okay, good. 2 box. More. Okay. Okay, you can read.
At the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn at a small store.
Good. At the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn at a small stall. Okay, good. 2 box more. 1, 2. Okay, next. You can read. Okay, Khadijah, you can read.
He can see a man selling some balls.
Good. He can see a man selling some balls. Good. Another 2 boxes. 1 and 2. Okay, next you can read.
He can see a man selling some balls.
Good. He can see a man selling some balls. Good. Okay. Okay, finish 1 and 2. Okay, good job.